and they are rarely in agreement these days, but today appeared to be protect your own day in Parliament as parties across the political divide united yet again to demand that the government overturn recent judicial rulings that have rattled the political class. The Cabinet today passed changes to the Right to Information Act so that parties are left out of its ambit. All parties in Parliament today were also united in the belief that the government should take steps to overturn the Supreme Court's recent judgments on the disqualification of convicted MPs. In addition to this, the government has also proposed to make crucial changes to the Judicial Accountability Bill. The Judicial Appointment Commission will now consist of the Chief Justice of India, the two senior-most Supreme Court judges, and in addition, instead of two eminent jurists, they have now decided to make it two eminent persons. These two eminent persons will be appointed by a panel of the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, and the Leader of the Opposition, the Lok Sabha.
What do politicians do when they come under attack, especially on a crucial issue like criminalization of politics? They decide to counter-attack. Almost all political parties have asked the government to make amends and undo the recent Supreme Court order on criminalization of politics.
Constitution is required to be amended. That bill also should be introduced and passed.
There we have some reservations, to be very frank to you. Namely, there has to be a more wider consultation.
The Supreme Court on July 10, 2013 had said all politicians if charged in a criminal case will have to quit. The Supreme Court confirmed the 2004 order of the Patna High Court, which had said a jailed person can't vote, and if a person's voting right is taken away, then they can't contest elections. The order was not to have any retrospective effect, but for a political system which, according to a recent ADR report, has 2,340 out of the 7,950 MPs and MLAs with criminal charges against them, the Supreme Court's order was simply not acceptable. Strengthened by the unanimous support, the government is now promising to check the judiciary by bringing the Judicial Accountability and Appointments Bill.
साथ साथ जुडिशियल कमीशन और पार्लियामेंट की सुप्रीमेसी पर बिल्कुल सर्वसहमति है.
In this face-off between Parliament and the judiciary, the crucial role of the executive and how they tread a cautious path comes into place. For every attack, there's a counter-attack. And while the government is planning a National Judicial Commission, the big question remains of addressing the key issue of criminalization of politics. In New Delhi, Sunil Prabhu for News First at 10.